So, I just found out that my dad has received a shipment. So, I'm gonna go out to his house and check that out.
So, we were able to obtain some more Blackstone products, including another locomotive and 10 cars. Cool. Alright, so in one of the not so recent videos, I'd mentioned that kind of was looking for possibly another Blackstone locomotive, and our friend John that actually used to work on the standard gauge layout back when it was in Downey, California, he saw that video, and there's a hobby store that he hangs out at down in Southern California, and he's like, hey, I know the guy down there's got like a locomotive and some cars. So we talked to them, kind of negotiated a deal, and well, there it is. It actually got shipped pretty quick, so that's kind of cool. That's gonna help out, I think, a lot with operations and stuff and things to run. Like I said, I actually have kind of a lot of narrow gauge cars, but they're all old. They need work on them. They're really light. They need work with the trucks or need new trucks or whatever. And so I just don't have time again to really fiddle with them. So it's nice to have something that just runs. And these look great. They look great. So anyways, thank you, John, for that. Worked out well. All right, that's it for this